34 volts 30A lithium battery module, pack automatic cycle charge-discharge tester DSF3020. DSF3020 is a precision battery performance test instrument integrated with charge and discharge, auto cycle, testing data analysis, consistency comparison. It can set the parameters of charge and discharge by the user, and has automatic charging and discharging cycle function. The intelligent temperature monitoring function can monitor the temperature of each battery in real time. Automatically stop the charging and discharging when the battery temperature reaches the set maximum temperature. It's the essential battery testing and maintenance equipment to keep the battery operate reliably and safely and maximize the service life. Independent heat source channel, temperature control and speed regulation fan. With 3 Y-axis, voltage, current, capacity, and a time-axis curve drawing ability, and data report function. Professional services since 2005.